Hello, I'm Don Spini, president of HBW, author of the #1 best-selling book, 60 Seconds DS, and creator of the I-Core 365 training system for sales professionals. You know, in 2001, 9/11 hit, and this country was faced with a catastrophic event. And you remember how you felt back then and how people were fearful. And we had to respond, and this country did respond. But we also knew that we had to change because we were fighting a different type of war. Well, then 2008 hit, and another catastrophe hit this country, a financial setback that affected every single American. And remember again how fearful you felt and how fearful Americans felt. It affected us all. People lived in fear and distrust. They believed that their American dream was jeopardized and in danger of disappearing forever. We had a government that let this happen, and we had people that took money from good, hardworking Americans. So they're over here, these hardworking Americans who did nothing wrong. They're living in fear and distrust. They're losing their homes, their jobs, and their belief in the American dream. At HBW, we have a solution to fix that, so those people never need to feel like that again. Our mission and our crusade had to change. And what we've noticed is that since 2008, in the past 4 years, as the dust settled, no one else is addressing this issue. Well, we're going to change. We're going to change our tactics and our strategy. At HBW, our mission, our crusade, is to restore and protect the American dream. Again, so those people never need to feel like that again. To do that, it takes a passion. We're looking for people with passion, but we also know that passion alone doesn't do it. You have to have a commitment to yourself to be successful, and you have to have courage to fight a war against fear and distrust, because that's the war we're fighting. Another thing that's critical to success in this business is you have to have the best training. At HBW, with the I-Core program, we're committed to providing you with the absolute best training. So passion, commitment, courage, and training, along with the best products, is a formula that can guarantee your success. We're looking for people who want to do good for others first and have their wealth be a result of that good they do for others. If I'm describing you, enlist and join this team and begin your training today. Welcome aboard.